Financial freedom, time freedom, and location freedom. These are the three things that I hear most when I ask entrepreneurs why they do what they do. I'm Dr. Travis Ziegler, and I have all these. I have financial freedom, time freedom, and location freedom. I achieve them through building a business online up to $500,000 per month and selling it for millions. I was able to retire from seeing patients, I'm an optometrist by trade, and focus fully online at the age of 33. I tell you this because most gurus teaching you strategies around Amazon PPC have never built a business on Amazon, and I have. A big focus of mine was through selling on Amazon with Amazon PPC. I'm gonna walk you through my Amazon PPC system that I've used to help build 5 multi-million-dollar companies of my own and countless other businesses to beyond $10 million in my agency. So let's get started with the 5 secrets to success with Amazon PPC. Number 1, the key to increasing Amazon sales. I recently had a conversation with a member of our Perpetual Sales Machine Mastermind who was curious about the Amazon's A9 algorithm. While it's complex, the key takeaway is simple. Amazon prioritizes sales velocity and conversion rate. Think about it. Amazon is a sales channel. It wants to show listings to customers that convert at a high rate and that sell a lot. From personal experience, I learned this lesson the hard way when I lost over $250,000 because 4 of my 5 best sellers went out of stock. This mistake severely impacted our sales velocity and plummeted our organic rank. One product never even recovered. So how do you avoid this costly mistake? It's all about listing optimization, which we will get to in a later video, and effective inventory management. You need to stop using outdated spreadsheets and use software like Profitable Pineapple Express inventory management software. This tool is a game changer. It offers real-time inventory tracking, helping you stay ahead of stock needs and ensuring you never miss a sale due to stockouts. Save hours of you and your team's time because you can know exactly what you need to order and the time it takes to check an email. Remember, maintaining your inventory not only keeps your sales flowing, but it also boosts your organic rank, keeping you visible and competitive on Amazon. Secret number 2, Pareto's principle, aka the 80-20 rule. Embracing the 80-20 rule in your Amazon business isn't about doing less work. It's about doing more of what actually works. Secret number 2 is all about leveraging this powerful principle to drive growth, improve your cash flow, and reduce your stress by focusing on the most lucrative aspects of your business. Let's dive into one of these core areas where the 80-20 rule can transform your success. First up, product focus. Did you know that 80% of your revenue comes from just 20% of your products? This means you should concentrate all your efforts and advertising dollars on these top performing products, enhancing their visibility and optimizing their listings. Meanwhile, it's time to reduce focus on those underperforming products to free up your resources for what truly drives your business forward. I went from over 70 SKUs to just focus on 3 SKUs, and it helped me scale my business to $500,000 per month, and it made it a lot easier to do so. Next, a staggering 80% of your revenue is linked to just 20% of your search terms with Amazon PPC. This insight is crucial for refining your SEO and PPC strategies. By identifying and focusing on these high-performing search terms, you can significantly improve your product's discoverability, profitability, and sales. Next, you need to recognize that 20% of your customers are responsible for the majority of your revenue. This small, valuable segment deserves special attention. Tailoring your marketing, customer service, and product offerings to these customers can boost loyalty and increase spending. I called more than 400 of our top customers to see how we could serve them better. It helped me write better sales copy, it helped me write better marketing, and I upsold most of them to more of our products because they weren't familiar with them. In Amazon advertising, 80% of your sales often come from sponsored products. Spend more time learning sponsored products over other types like sponsored brands or sponsored display ads. You'll get a more effective return on your investment. And that is what the majority of today's video in this free Amazon PPC Masterclass is all about, sponsored products, and really focusing on that. 20% of your sales channels, particularly Amazon, is vital. Focusing your efforts on optimizing your presence on this platform can significantly enhance your sales. We were in Amazon US, Amazon UK, Germany, Italy, Spain, France, Canada, Shopify, ClickFunnels, we were everywhere. And when I looked at all this, it was a huge headache with a big team and a bunch of agencies to help with it. We pretty much stopped focusing on all of it except for Amazon US. I shut down every other channel except for our Shopify store, which we just stopped advertising for. We just let it run in the background. Now, what should you do next? I want you to go download your products report on Amazon, shut off all your ads for all your other products while we optimize your account for the 20% of products that produce the majority of your results. This targeted approach will skyrocket your profits, increase your cash flow, and reduce stress. Now, I already hear your ego talking and how I have all these products and they're all great. They're not. 20% of your products produce 80% of your results. Focus on that. Trust me, it works. Now let's switch over to my screen and show you how to find the 20% of products producing 80% of your results. All right, so here we are inside Seller Central, and you're just gonna come up here and you're gonna go over to Reports and Business Reports. Once you're in Business Reports, you're just gonna come down here to detail page sales by traffic and child item. What I like to do is usually go a year out. And so we have full 12 months of data, and then I'm just going to download the CSV. After I download that CSV, I'm just going to pull up a Google Sheets, and I'm going to go import, and then we're going to go to upload, browse, and business reports. I'm going to go to insert new sheet. All right, and you can see all my child ASINs here. I don't really care much about anything in here. There's a couple things that I like to keep, like unit session percentage. That's going to tell me my conversion rate essentially. Not quite, but close enough. And then order product sales. So right there. Because what we're doing here, there's just one objective, is we're trying to find the 20% of products that produce 80% of your results. So I'm going to highlight everything and go to sort range. We're going to do it by ordered product sales from Z to A. And then as you can see here, let me get rid of all this extra. All right, so let's take a look at this. All right, so you can see that right here, if you add everything up, I'm making $25,667 over the trailing 12 months. This is our test brand, by the way. We don't do much with this brand. But you can see right here that 13,000 of that 26,000 is one product. So I'm probably just going to focus everything around that one product. But if we scroll down a little bit more, you can see that out of, let's just get rid of these ones that are pretty much zero, all these. So we have 12 products. So 20% of 12 is 3. So you can look at these 3 products, make up 16,000. And so that's not quite 80%, but pretty close. It's approximately 70% of our revenue. And so what we're going to do is we're going to focus mainly just on this top one, because these are all variations of each other. So this top one's going to get the majority of the sales, and then they'll spill over to the variation. So I'm going to focus all my advertising around that one top one. So when you're looking at the 80-20, make sure you're focusing on the products that are making the results. And then later on in this, we'll talk about the 20% of search terms that are producing 80% of your results as well. Again, we did this with iLove. We went from over 70 SKUs to around 3 that we focused on. This helped build our company up to $500,000 per month much faster because we could focus. With our newest company that we just bought, Dr. Berry's, we bought them, they had over 20 SKUs. We took them down to 7 SKUs, and now we're down to one single core focus SKU. And we're in the process of building that one right now. Remember, stop chasing shiny objects. That doesn't move the needle. Start focusing on that 20%, your golden 20%, to maximize your effectiveness and success in business. You'll have more cash flow, you'll have more profit to pay yourself, and you'll have more time as well. Secret number 3, Amazon PPC's true objective: sales for increased organic rank and increased profit. This is going to be one of the hardest concepts to understand, but when you get this part of Amazon PPC, you'll grow your business incredibly fast. Amazon PPC isn't just a tool for immediate sales. It's a powerful strategy to boost your organic rank and increase your profits. This is achieved by targeting keywords that are relevant, moderately competitive, and have both a significant search volume and a high conversion rate for your brand. Because high conversion rate and high search volume means more sales velocity. Now, you might be familiar with advertising cost of sale, or your ACOS, which measures the efficiency of your advertising campaign. However, it's crucial to look beyond ACOS and focus on total advertising cost of sale, or your TACOS. TACOS considers the impact of PPC on your overall sales as a business, ensuring that you're driving profitable growth. So let's talk about how to maximize your PPC. Number 1, focus on keywords that not only drive sales, but also enhance your product's organic ranking. Choose keywords with a high conversion rate and a good sales velocity to reduce your TACOS. Number 2, move from focusing on individual campaign ACOSs to an overall account perspective. This shift helps you understand how each campaign contributes to a broader business goal. Number 3, it might seem counterintuitive, but a high ACOS in one campaign can actually be beneficial, as it leads to a reduced TACOS across your entire account, leading to more profitability. For example, we once had a campaign with a 30 to 40% conversion rate. It got 4 sales a day, high conversion rate, high sales velocity, but it had 150% ACOS. We kept it running because it drove high converting traffic and it maintained a high sales velocity. This ultimately boosted our overall profitability. By focusing on these strategies, you can transform your approach to Amazon PPC from just another advertising expense to a strategic tool of growth and profit. I'm going to say this a second time for clarity. The goal of Amazon PPC is not solely about the sales you make directly from your ads. The real aim is to improve your product's organic ranking on Amazon, which will increase your profit and bring down your TACOS, your total advertising cost of sale. We have one client that when we took over their account, they had $336,000 in revenue with 161% ACOS and a 29% TACOS and only $100,000 in profit per month. We first made their advertising incredibly lean by focusing on the 20% of search terms, and revenue stayed about the same. Their ACOS improved from 161% to 63% with a 12% TACOS, but we increased their profit by more than $50,000 to $150,000 in profit per month, but only then we went to work to get him scale. 12 months after pushing their ACOS, they now make almost $500,000 in revenue at 64% ACOS, 10% tacos, but their profit has jumped from $90,000 a month to $205,000 per month. Most newer sellers leave money on the table because they try to keep their ACOS low. ACOS is just one metric, but we do not make big decisions based on ACOS. Remember, the key to success with Amazon PPC isn't just about cutting costs, it's about investing smartly in campaigns that improve your organic rank and enhance overall profitability. Secret number 4, continuity or subscription. Shifting from a purely transactional model to one that embraces continuity. This isn't just a change in strategy, it's a fundamental shift in how you view and grow your Amazon business. Why does continuity matter? First, let's talk about steady revenue streams. A continuity model, especially through subscriptions, provides a predictable and stable flow of income. This isn't just about easing financial planning and forecasting, it's about enabling more strategic decision makings for future growth. Next, consider the value of customer loyalty and lifetime value. When customers subscribe, they're expressing trust and committing to your brand long term. This deepens customer relationships and significantly increases the lifetime value of each customer, leading to more sustainable profits. Another major advantage is reduced marketing costs. It's often more costly to acquire a new customer than it is to retain an existing one. With a continuity model, you focus more on nurturing existing customer relationships, which cuts down on the need and expense of constant new customer acquisition. Finally, there's the enhanced business valuation. A business built on a continuity model is generally more attractive to investors and buyers because it's predictable revenue. This reduces perceived risk and increases overall valuation of your business, making it more lucrative asset if you ever decide to sell. A business built on a continuity model is generally more attractive to investors and buyers because of its predictable revenue. This reduces perceived risk and increases overall valuation of your business, making it a more lucrative asset if you ever decide to sell. A great way to integrate continuity into your Amazon business is through the subscribe and save feature. This allows customers to sign up for regular deliveries of your products, ensuring a continuous revenue stream for you and convenience for them. To make this option more appealing, considering offering a significant initial discount, like a 50% off coupon exclusively for subscribe and save orders. This not only incentivizes the first subscription, but also boosts the uptake rate, locking in future sales. We have a client that has continuity and we used a 50% subscribe and save strategy on. They did $1 million in 2022, $2 million in 2023, and are on pace to do $4 million this year on one product. By focusing on continuity, you're not just selling a product, you're building a lasting relationship with your customers, which is a cornerstone of long-term business success. Secret number 5, the illusion of product selection on Amazon. Building a successful business on Amazon isn't just about jumping on the latest product trend, it's about solving real problems for real people. I see entrepreneurs in this space that focus too much on choosing the perfect product that everyone teaches. Choosing a product to sell on Amazon can feel exciting. You might sift through the lists of the top selling products, hoping to discover that one product that will skyrocket your sales. But here's the problem. This method is inherently short-sighted and unsustainable. It's like building a house on sand. You might make some quick money, but eventually the market will saturate. I've seen it thousands of times. Other sellers will enter the space and your sales will begin to dwindle. Does this sound familiar to you? If so, I have hope for you. Shift your focus to identifying a problem to solve. This is what entrepreneurship is really about. The most successful businesses in history were built on solving problems. For instance, Amazon began with the simple idea of making books more accessible, while Apple focused on making technology user-friendly. Every day, people face countless problems, from staying healthy to saving time to learning new skills or managing life transitions. These are real issues that provide opportunities for you to step in and offer solutions. By focusing on solving these problems, you transform your business from selling products to serving people. This not only creates a more sustainable business model, but it also builds a deeper connection with your customers. When customers see that you understand and are addressing their needs, they're more likely to trust you, buy from you, and recommend your products to others. So how do you start? Begin with research. Dive deep into understanding your target market. What are their pain points, their needs, their desires? When you truly understand the problems your potential customers face, you can think about products, but not just any products. You should focus on products that directly solve these problems. This approach not only improves your chances of success on Amazon, but also ensures that your business contributes positively to the lives of your customers, enhancing customer loyalty and satisfaction. In conclusion, remember that entrepreneurship is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a journey of problem solving, service, and building sustainable success. So go out there, find a problem you're passionate about solving, and watch as your business grows, not just in profit, but in value and relevance. So here's your action items for this video. Number 1, don't let stockouts derail your Amazon success. Visit profitablepineappleexpress.com and check out our Profitable Pineapple Express inventory management software. To learn more and sign up for that system, go to profitablepineappleexpress.com. Number 2, apply Pareto's principle in your business. Conduct an in-depth analysis of your business using the 80-20 rule. Start by downloading your Amazon product reports and identifying the top 20% of your products that generate 80% of your revenue. Action item number 3, focus on TACOS, total advertising cost of sale over ACOS, advertising cost of sale. This ensures that you're driving profitable growth. Number 4, embrace continuity in subscription models. Implement Amazon's subscribe and save feature for your products. Consider offering a significant discount such as 50% for subscribe and save customers to encourage long-term commitment. Number 5, shift your focus from product selection to problem solving. Conduct market research to identify common problems faced by your target audience. Instead of chasing trending products, look for solutions that address these problems.
Hey, I wanted to thank you for watching this video, and I picked out another video just for you. So make sure you check out that other video. And what do they need to do? Do they need to like and subscribe?
Yeah.
Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content.